Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to SHIBA update. So today is rather important. I've actually made a Bitcoin update and talk about how SHIB can actually make a huge difference coming in the next few days. So you might want to consider Sunday as you want to take Sunday as a big deal at the moment. So right now the technical target's still pending to 936. Today is Sunday, and I do expect Sunday for Bitcoin to be really dumpy to the downside as well. Let's actually talk about the weekly because it's quite important to see how the weekly behaves, and it's just the same as Bitcoin did, because there are some few scenarios that I said about Bitcoin. So if today, let me actually remove all the drawings so I can show you clearly. So if today you end up dropping down to its technical target, which is 930, then you're putting in a 3 black cross. On the weekly, that's a continuation to move even lower. But by the end of the day, if today you actually close above 1197, that there could be chances that you just make a wick down to 930 and come back up very quickly and try to move even a little bit higher. So you've got to keep, nonetheless, the technical target still remains to the downside, but it's important to see how the weekly really closes, because the weekly is going to serve as a future, it's going to give the direction to the future. The candlestick of the weekly time frame really matters. And if today, in next 17 hours nearly, you do end up dropping on Sunday, and then Sunday closes red, then understand that on a weekly time frame we're looking to move even lower than 900 level. And that's pretty much it for this quick one. I'm going to see you the next one in the office.